Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So what you want to do first is just swipe down below and find settings here on the top right or just in menu. When you're going to be here, the next thing that you want to do is swipe down, and then you're going to have the about the phone on the bottom. When you're going to press it, then you want to swipe down again, and then you're going to have like looking for something else, and there is going to be like a reset. So you want to press the reset, and when you're going to press the reset, you're going to have also the reset all settings, reset network, and reset accessibility settings. So we're going to reset all settings, and this will reset all the settings on your phone, expect language, accounts, personal data. And first here that you can what you're gonna do is just click here reset. So that's something you can do. Or what you can do is to also factory data reset. So when you're gonna click factory data reset, all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system, settings, downloadable, and all of these is going to be resetted. So this is the first way how we're gonna do it, right? Another way what you can do is that when I go to settings and I'm going to write here factory, you're going to find like factory data reset. So you can also find it through the search. And here I'm going to be factory data reset and reset. Delete all. And now it's being deleted. So let's see how it's going to look like. And now the phone is starting out. So as you can see, it's loading, and that's how we're going to factory reset. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you're going to have a great day, and see you and goodbye. See? Got it.